All right, everybody, Wind River Casino. We're doing a walking tour. Follow us. So we walk around over by Reading, 105 degrees today. All right, Wind River Casino. Let's go clockwise in here. Information booth on the right-hand side. Gift shop on the right hand side. What is over here? This must be the hotel area. Let's see. Looks like the hotel area right here. Cool. Look at the cash falls over here. And I got your gift shop here on the right. Look at the bar over here in the corner. This is a patio over here, outside area. Yeah, it's a patio area. Nice. Buffalo Gold. So I heard that they're expanding probably in about 5 years. They got permission to expand somewhere over by the freeway. This place is decent size. A lot of games here. No bubble craps, but they do have table games and they have California craps here. Buffalo Link. All right, follow me. There's your Phoenix Link right next to the Players Club. And their table craps table looks like it's about 8 or 10 feet long. It's pretty funny. Short table. It's not open though. I don't know why. And over here on the right is a Seasons. It's like a Seasons restaurant. I wonder if it's a buffet. See if I can peek in there real quick. Oh, it looks like just a restaurant with a bar inside. It's nice. All right, follow me. Not that many people playing tables. A lot of slot players. Buffalo Strike. So this is the smoking section here that we're in. We're gonna cut over to the non-smoking section. And there's your California Roulette. Alright, let's go check out the non-smoking section. And non-smoking section starts off with a lot of Dragon Link. There we go. And over here I think is it poker games? Poker? Looks like poker over here. That's all poker games. Ooh.
I watch the show all the time.
Oh, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Donnie, I'm Adam.
Adam, yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You walking around?
Oh yeah, she's around here. She's walking around. She's playing.
All the time.
Awesome. Thank
My
you.
wife,
Yeah, you call it a show. That's awesome.
Cool. That's like-
Thank you. Yeah. This is our first time here, so
Oh, really?
yeah, it's nice. It's a nice casino.
You too, bro.
See you later. Dragon Link. You called it a show. Isn't that what I called it earlier before I got here? I called it the show. Oh, look at all these games. I haven't seen these games before. I wonder what is in here. What is this? It looks like it's a convention center. It's like a event center. See a lot of three reels over here. Older games. Like, Tiki game, the old Buffalo games over here. All right, let's walk back on the other side, the smoking side, and go on. Still continue clockwise. You can see the rest of the games here. There she is. So one of the dealers recognized us.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
They say don't.
No. She's like, he said, I watch your show all the time.
Thank you.
So we're gonna walk the rest of it over here. I'll finish over here. I'll be back. So there's a bar over here on the right. Let's walk over here first. The lightning links. So I'm gonna play these lightning links soon. Raoul's Jewels. You like that game? Well, here's the bar area. And then over by the bar area, there's like a stage for people to perform. A lot of older crowd over here. Not bad. All right, that's where I entered in. That's it, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We're gonna go try our luck now. Cool.